If you're experiencing a transfer pending issue on Bybit, follow these simple steps to resolve it quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and complete your transfer successfully. Step 1. Check network status. Visit Bybit's official website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing network issues or maintenance that could be affecting transfers. Step 2. Verify transaction details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use this or .com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Refresh your account. Log out of your Bybit account and log back in. This can refresh your account status and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the pending issue. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. Sometimes pending transfers are simply waiting for network confirmations. Allow some time for the transaction to process, especially during peak times. Step 5. Contact support. If the transfer remained pending after following the previous steps, reach out to Bybit's customer support for assistance. Provide them with transaction details for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue on Bybit. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.